We all have that defining moment in our lives, the moment that types our career in person. For Julie Su, President Joe Biden's nominee to lead the Department of Labor, that moment was the El Monte case she took on while still fresh out of Harvard Law School. Today, she's a veteran civil rights attorney, California's former top labor official and an inspirational champion for people's rights. In 1995, the 26-year-old Asian American lawyer joined the case that would shape her iconic career. As a staff attorney for a legal center, she led a team of lawyers to save 72 Thai nationals in California who were being held against their will in a garment sweatshop. By law and advocacy, the team worked hard to secure legal immigration status for all of them, as well as $4 million in stolen wages. In 2000, a landmark law was passed in Congress, due to the successful effort of this case. Today, Julie Su is facing an uphill battle to confirmation as Legacy Secretary, where Republicans have been critical of her record while the moderate Democrats remain noncommittal. Despite the opposition, labor advocates are confident because of her personal experience and commitment to the cause. Not only is she the first Asian American cabinet secretary to serve under Biden if confirmed, but she has a unique perspective of the inequities that exist in the America today due to her background in the El Monte case. The El Monte case is remembered for the abuse and injustice that the workers went through, including locking them up in the factory surrounded by barbed wire, and forcing them to work from dawn to midnight for less than $1 an hour. Su and her team made sure that these workers were freed and compensated. Despite the major victory, some community organizers argued that Su and the legal center exaggerated her involvement in the case, saying that other experienced lawyers who worked on the documents and social services groups who provided care were not given enough credit. After her departure from the legal center, Julie Su has become a leader in protecting those that are most vulnerable, such as domestic workers, garment workers and victims of crime, by launching an anti-wage theft campaign and expanding apprenticeship programs. Her career, however, still remains controversial due to her role in the California unemployment fraud scandal, as well as her support for AB 5, a law that reclassified independent contractors as employees. On Thursday, Julie Su took the first step in her confirmation hearing before the Senate Health, Education, Labor and Pensions Committee, and the committee is expected to vote this week on whether to advance her confirmation. With her experience and dedication, Julie Su is poised to be a great candidate for labor secretary and continue fighting for workers' rights like she did during the El Monte case.